today's technology, people need to actually resurface the part to make sure that you have a smooth, contiguous surface. The PowerShape and the PowerMill aspect create the best possible surface and the most efficient machining strategies. The machine company is over 50 years old. We are very strong in the aerospace industry. We're introducing the ML45, which is actually our newest product in regards to Blisk manufacturing. In addition to running Blisk, you can do impellers, you can also do small parts that require high feed rates. We have 60 meters per minute on this machine, and we've had very tremendous success. The advantage of this machine, it's highly accurate. It's got a small footprint, and we use state-of-the-art technology in either the seamless option or the height and height control option. PowerShape gives us the tools to modify the surface, make the curves in the surface uniform. Once we establish a smooth, contiguous surface, we're then able to utilize PowerMill to give us a very good surface finish. The simulation package within PowerMill is very effective in preventing potential collisions. But the biggest thing really is the combination between the two products that enable us to prepare the surface to drive a very nice tool path. They offer a lot of cycles that allow us to remove stock efficiently. PowerMill has a very strong background in both impeller and Blisk. The combination between the two products offers us versatility so we can actually perform very smoothly, very efficiently, and give you no surface imperfections.